We're here at Fairmont Heights High School. This is the beginning of PEEP, the Professional Educator Induction Program. New teachers here from all over the world getting ready to meet the students of Prince George's County on August the 29th. From the signs and sights in Fairmont's hallways, there is no mistaking that a new school year is about to begin. For the hundreds of new teachers about to enter Prince George's classrooms for the first time, or for the first time in a long time, there can be no better prep than PEEP. The first teaching assignment, how do you feel as the first day is approaching? Is this helping you?
Yeah, I really enjoyed the mathematics courses that we're talking about right now, because we're all sharing our experiences and, how can we make math more enjoyable for the students? How can we make it student-centered? How can we just get them more involved, get them to love it from day one?
Did you go to school here in Prince George's?
Yes, I'm a Prince George's County graduate. I graduated from Charles Herbert Flowers and first graduated in class 2003.
So, as a seasoned teacher, are you still finding this PEEP experience useful to you?
Absolutely useful. They are definitely preparing teachers for the classroom, whether you're first year teaching or returning to the classroom. So I definitely have found it useful the last 2 days.
Are these sessions helping you?
Yes. They're very helpful. They're super informative. And there's some things that I've been trying to get on my own, and I'm glad they actually have the courses for it.
All the positive feedback was music to the ears of PEEP's people, the professionals from the Office of Learning and Leadership who pulled out all the stops to make the program the perfect Prince George's primer.
Oh my goodness, this is my favorite part of the whole school year because I get so energetic to be around new teachers and getting them excited about being around our middle school students. So we talk about the curriculum, we talk about building relationships with children and how important that is to build those relationships, classroom environments, creating learning environments where students want to learn. We go through all of those things with them so that they are ready for our students when they come on the first day of school.
We share with them best practices, and we actually had them watch a video, a speech by Denzel Washington, where his theme was falling forward. So there are going to be some challenging days, there are going to be some mistakes made, but we want to fall forward, stay optimistic, because ultimately they're going to find their way and gain their footing and be the example and modeling the instruction that we need and the type of support for the students that we need.
Would you give the new class, even though you've just met them, a grade as yet?
A+. They are here, and we are so excited. They are here during this time, at this time, to support our future, because they are our future. And that's what we told them last week. You can call them future, you can call them scholars. Just pour into them and speak positivity, and we're going to have a great year. I'm excited.
An amazing school system about to welcome some equally amazing teachers ready to meet, yes, some amazing students on day one. This is Dave Zarin reporting.